Hello, this is Anton, and I'll be demonstrating the assignment part 1 milling operation. So firstly, we're going to SolidCAM part, create a new milling operation, then it will take us here. And once we go here, we select the coordinate system. So which upon this you select any part of the object. Well, it has showed up now. And it does come up. With the stock, you select a face and it will generate a box. I know in the tutorial it mentions to put all of these values as 0, but for my specific model, it does not trim these sections here. So I left it at 2, 2, and 6 as well for the clearance to the bottom. Yeah, I'll demonstrate why it didn't do it before. Anyway, so you hit OK, and then it should generate the target as well, which is this part. And then once we have that, I selected for tools. I select 3. So the first one I selected 13 mil because the 2.5 was not cutting here well enough. There was still a bit of excess material left, so I did it to 13. For the second one, I did it to 2 mil to get the clearance here. And for the third tool, I used the ball head of 4 millimeters to finish off the two domes, the concave and the convex domes. And you just hit add, and then these come up and you select, and you save and exit. And then once you're in there, in setup, you right click, you add milling operation, and I added the first one as a 3D milling. So once I went in there with the geometry, basically setting up what the geometry you want to select. So you do a new target and you do define again, and I selected the bottom edge to here, these 2 separate chains here. Once that is selected, I went to levels, and then the upper level I started at 0, so it clears the top of the dome and works its way down, and the lower level being here. For the technology, I used contour. With the hatching, it was missing some of the sections, so I did select contour, and the overlap of 0.5 was fine, and I did save on that, calculate, and run. So that is that, run or simulate. Yep. And then for this next part, the contour, I selected milling operation, contour 3D. Once you go into contour 3D, the geometry I selected with the 2 ledges in between, so stepping down from this face down to this face. The tool I used was again the 13mm, the larger tool for faster process. Smaller tool can be used, but more efficient. The upper level is 13.5 from here down to 10 profile depth. And then the technology used, I selected from the right tool side, and then the rest was automatic. Save.